Ipinasabina ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee ang 8 sa 15 kontratista ng mga flood control project na hindi sumipot sa pagdinig kahapon. Kabilang dito ang Wawaw Builders na contractor ng sinasabing ghost project sa Bulacan na iniimbestigahan ng Department of Public Works and Highways. Kasama rin sa ipinatatawag ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee ang Alpha and Omega General Contractor and Development Corporation, St. Timothy Construction Corporation, Top Notch Catalyst Builders, SunWest Incorporated, LRTK Builders Incorporated, High Tone Construction and Development Corporation, Royal Crown Monarch Construction and Supplies Corporation.
May I move for the issuance of subpoena to those absent invited resource persons, particularly yung mga contractors, Mr. Chair, to require them to be present in the next hearing. I so move, Mr. Chair.
I think the motion is in order. No objection. The motion is carried.
Ang tinig ni na Senator Ronald De La Rosa at Senate Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman Rodante Marculeta. Sinusugan naman ito ni Senator Erwin Tulfo at sinabing dapat magpaliwanag ang mga kontratista kung bakit hindi sila nakadalo sa unang pagdinig.
Next hearing, they have to come up with a reasonable answer. Hindi ho yung may sakit, may nauna, para hong itong committee natin na may sakit, nagbakasyon na, may mga prior schedule. Ano mas importante, prior schedule, Mr. Chair? Or itong investigasyon ito because 544 billion na pinag-uusapan natin, not a small change, Mr. Chair.
Ang tinig ni Senator Erwin Tulfo, Vice Chairman ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee.